And what are some of the things that sets First Texas apart from other builders that you might have worked with in the past?
Well, actually, again, it's the home itself that sells.
Well, I've actually lived in a First Texas home, and so I can vouch for the quality of the construction.
I also like partnering with the builder because these houses are spectacular.
The way that it looks, the building.
I like the size of the bedrooms.
I noticed these homes are very well built. They look very nice.
There's so many different areas that you can consider. You're not just located in one area.
The fact that when you want to make changes to the home, you can do that.
Price per square foot.
It's really spacious.
They're just one of the better builders.